I did end up selling the Pathfinder. I made out pretty good. Definitely, like I said, not what I wanted, but better than I thought. Welcome back to another episode of Broke From Here, guys. If you're watching this when it comes out, I actually taped this yesterday. It's been a long week. I did end up selling the Pathfinder. I made out pretty good. Definitely, like I said, not what I wanted, but better than I thought. I'll get into those details later, but I don't think I ever actually filled you guys in on how much I made on the Dodge. So the Dodge, all said and done, I had about $1,600 into that car in about a month's worth of time. It was complete waste. I bought it highly emotionally. And yeah, I was really bummed out about it, but I ended up selling it for about $2,300. I made $700. Not worth it. I mean, but that's part of the game, guys. You win some, you lose some. Hopefully you win more than you lose. But again, I bought that emotionally. Same thing with the Pathfinder. Bought it in like this scarcity feeling. But anyway, it's been a long couple of days. The Pathfinder took a little bit to sell. It wasn't too bad, but we just had crap weather here, and today is the first day that it's nice. I bought a car last night. It's got 137,000 miles, and it's a 2004. Now, to give you a little hint, I've worked on this engine before. I'm pretty well versed on it. I'm also scared to work on it. Now it's about a 30-minute ride away, so let's go check it out. All right, guys, so here it is, a 2004 Volkswagen Passat Wagon. Now, it has 137,000 miles. It has a couple of ugly spots, mostly just this spot. But for the most part, the lines are really nice. The bumper does kind of hang a little bit. I have to figure that out. But overall, it's going to be a good little car. I mean, if you check out the interior, overall it is pretty clean. It's been well maintained. It does have that felt style cloth that I'm going to have to mess with. I think all of them are kind of sagging or falling off a little bit, like that. But we'll see. Now, buying this, it came with like 9 check engine codes. Yeah, 9. And if you guys are familiar with the Audi episode, I had that breather hose issue that comes out of the crankcase. I think it's the same thing. From what I'm seeing, and I've already done some research, I'm pretty sure the main code here is P0171. Then everything else is like misfires, turbo leakage, all of them relate to that code as far as I can tell. But if you hear it, the car starts up really strong. I mean, it sounds good. Sounds a heck of a lot better than the Audi did. So I'm definitely gonna need some help getting this thing home, just in case it breaks down. I don't want to be stuck on the side of the road all alone again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to see if it's that leak. Basically, I'm just gonna spray some carb cleaner around where I think that leak is, and see if the engine changes at all. Let's get at it. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap up another episode of Broke Premiere. Unfortunately, I don't know exactly what's going on with that car. I took it for a quick test drive, and after kind of getting some power on it and then letting go, it kind of started to die out. It did die out. So I didn't feel safe trying to drive it home today, so it's not on the block yet. But I came back home. Hopefully I'll go back with the missus maybe tomorrow night, tonight, pick it up, and then she can follow me home if something happens. But I did want to fill you guys in. I sold the Pathfinder for $3,000. So I made $1,900 in that car. I had about $1,100 into it total. It went really smooth, honestly. I listed it, and then we had about 2 days with bad weather, and the first decent day someone came out and it was sold. I mean, we took a test drive, it was sold in 30 minutes, so it went really well. But yeah, guys, sorry it wasn't a little more eventful. Next week will definitely be filled. We have to work on the Mrs. car and the Volkswagen, and I'm looking to buy another car. So we'll definitely be packed next week. I apologize for that. But until then, hope you have a wonderful week, next couple days, whenever I see you next. See you then. Later, guys.